Hello and welcome to our online statistics course at Cañada College, m200 CRN 90046. My name is Lapuz and I will be the instructor for the course. In this part of the orientation, we will take a look at Canvas. Our Canvas site can be found by typing smccd.instructure.com. That is going to be our URL, or you can go to the Cañada College homepage and look for Canvas. Once you get in, your choices will have the classes that are going to be using Canvas, and one of the classes that you will have if you are enrolled in this class will be Math 200. Our site will look something like this. We have a home page, a syllabus, announcements, assignments, grades, discussions, and a couple of other administrative links. Let's take a look at our home page. Our home page has our introduction to our home page. If you click on that, you will see a link to a welcome letter and a welcome discussion board where you can introduce yourselves to the rest of the class. There's some FAQs here, frequently asked questions, and an orientation video will be coming soon, and then we'll have a survey that will be available. Back to our home page, we also have the link to MyMathLab. Now, in the past, you may have used MyMathLab where you are given a course ID. For this class, we won't need the course ID because there is a direct link to MyMathLab from our Canvas site. So all you have to do is click on one of these buttons, and the first time you will agree to some terms and conditions, and after that you can just jump into going into the homework assignments or the study plans. Beyond that, we have our chapter setups. We have PowerPoint presentation downloads and lectures for each of the chapters. Chapter 1 didn't have any problems to do, so from Chapter 2 on to the rest of the semester, there is some homework help that you can click on. And these are videos that will help you get through some of the homework problems. Past our home page, we have our syllabus page. Here is where you can download the syllabus, and we also have a schedule. The rest of the information here are parts of the syllabus and a link to some assignments with due dates. We also have a calendar. If your browser is expanded to a large enough size, we have a calendar off to the right. If your browser is not expanded to that size, then you won't see the calendar on the right. Instead, you'll see it down in the bottom of the page. So this site has an adapted HTML setup where your browser size will depend, or the viewing will depend on your browser size. Let's take a quick look at the syllabus. This is a downloadable file that you can click on, and it will download your syllabus. And the syllabus explains what to expect for this course, your course materials. This course will have proctoring involved in the exams, and some details are given here. More details will be given as we get closer to the exams. And then we have some resources. We have some grading, and this information about the course and some due dates. Aside from the syllabus, we have the schedule we can look at this as a semester at a glance, where you can see the calendar from the beginning of the semester to the end of the semester, and then you have things that are due and other administrative dates that you might need to take note of. After the syllabus, there are announcements, and right now there are no announcements, but soon you will get some announcements. Now these announcements will be automatically sent to your email, and that email needs to be my.smccd.edu email. That's a school email. So you should check your school email and make sure that you're receiving those announcements. And if you're not receiving those announcements, check your spam folder or your junk folder. The next link is the assignments page, and initially when you click on it, you might see that this is sorted by date, and so you can see what's coming up. You can also sort it by type, so you can see that there's a set of homework assignments here and then a couple of journal assignments to begin with. Your grades will give you an updated grade book. I want you to note that these things will be graded by hand, and so I will need some time after the due dates for those grades to be updated. And we have a discussion board, and this welcome discussion board has a link to our home page introduction. And when you click on this introduction, there's a welcome discussion board that will actually take you to the discussion board, and here's where you can begin your class. And the other two links here are administrative pages. We have a page that introduces the Title IX and another page that introduces accessibility in our college, in our district. Okay, so that's a general layout of our Canvas site, and I hope you feel comfortable to be able to navigate, get used to the links, and get used to going around our home website. In our next video, we will be taking a look at MyMathLab in detail, and we'll talk about being able to do homework and quizzes in MyMathLab. Okay? Enjoy!